Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious garlic hummus from canned chickpeas. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, drained and rinsed, along with 2-3 cloves of fresh garlic. Also, have ready your tahini, fresh lemon juice, a good quality olive oil, and a pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for a creamy, flavorful hummus that's perfect for any occasion. Now, let's get blending. In your food processor, combine the drained chickpeas, minced garlic, tahini, and fresh lemon juice. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Process these ingredients, scraping down the sides as needed. Continue blending until the mixture transforms into a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. This step is key to achieving that perfect hummus texture. Once blended, it's time to perfect your hummus. Taste it and adjust the seasonings. You might want more salt, lemon juice, or even an extra 1/2 clove of garlic. For a lighter, airier texture, slowly add 1-2 tablespoons of cold water while the processor is running. Blend briefly after each addition until you reach your desired consistency. This ensures your hummus is just right for your palate. Your homemade garlic hummus is ready to enjoy. Serve it in a bowl, drizzled with a little extra olive oil and a sprinkle of paprika or fresh parsley. It pairs wonderfully with pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread in sandwiches. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.